Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss, is Shein down? So as for April 2025, there are no widespread reports of Shein experiencing website outages or technical issues. Monitoring services such as Down Detector indicate that user-reported problems are minimal, with issues like checkout difficulties and login problems being relatively rare. But if you have some issues accessing Shein's website or their application, it might be due to local connectivity problems or device-specific issues. In such cases, if you have the problem, check your internet connection, clear browser cache, or update the application, and that may help resolve the problem. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Please leave the thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.